Hi everyone, now see this is our next practical experiment is a De Morgan's theorem. Okay, this De Morgan's theorems totally chart explained in a previous lecture. In this lecture we have in this theorem first De Morgan's theorem first is practically proof. Okay, in our laboratory. Okay, now see this is the chassis of our experiment is the De Morgan's theorem. Okay, in our chassis connected three ICs. Okay, in a C three ICs in a 7432, 7404 and 7408. Okay, these three ICs are the available in a 14 pin of each IC. Okay, in these ICs pin number 7, three ICs pin number 7 is a ground and pin number 14 is a VCC. Okay, so in this 743 IC, 7404 IC, 7408 IC, in these ICs, in each IC is used in a different purpose or different gates. Okay, in that the 7432 IC is used in a OR gate, then 7404 IC is used in a non-operation, and in a 7408 IC are used in a AND operation, that means the AND gate. Okay, in each IC connected different gates. Okay, in a see the previous lecture explain this chart. In this chart, okay, here see the pin diagram of ICs used in an experiment. So this is the 7432 IC. In each IC is the 14 pin. 7 number is the ground. Okay, and 14 number is the VCC. Okay, see first IC is the 7432 IC, and in this IC is connected 4 different gates. Okay, these are gates. Okay, that means the 2 input 1 output OR gate. Same that of the 7408 IC connected 4 AND gates. Okay, 2 input and 1 output, and this 7404 hex inverter, that means the in that connected different 6 not gates, so 1 input and 1 output. Okay, in this way these used these ICs in a practically. Okay, so here theorem first of the De Morgan's theorem is the statement are complement of sum is equal to product of their complements. Okay, that means the A plus B bar is equal to A bar into B bar. Okay, A plus B म्हणजे आपण काय करणार आहे, given two different inputs addition and additions complement, that means the complement of sum is equal to the product of their complement. म्हणजेच A चा बार कॉम्प्लिमेंट आणि B चा कॉम्प्लिमेंट. ओके, आणि त्याचा काय करतोय आपण अँड करतोय, म्हणजेच काय करतोय इथं मल्टिप्लिकेशन करतोय. ओके, सी इन दिस theorem first. Okay, this theorem is proved by using the in practically. Okay, so now here see first A plus B bar, that means the complement of sum used this first design. Okay, in this design 7432 IC, see in this 7432 IC 1 number and 2 number are used in A and B. Okay, in our here chassis connected 7432 and 740 and 7404, these different ICs pins are ऑलरेडी कनेक्टेड. ओके, ऑलरेडी ह्याचं कनेक्शन केलेलं आहे, फक्त आपण ह्याला इनपुट देणार ॲज पर आवर सर्किट कनेक्शन अँड आउटपुट आपण चेक करणार. ओके, सी इन आवर चॅसी हिअर A अँड B इनपुट्स. ओके, हिअर कनेक्टेड इथं नॉच अवेलेबल आहेत, आपण ह्याच्यामध्ये स्मॉल बनाना केबल्स हे आपण कनेक्ट करणार. त्याचबरोबर इथं LED आहेत. ओके, LED ऑन म्हणजे हाय, हाय म्हणजेच 1 कंडिशन आहे, LED ऑफ म्हणजेच लो, लो म्हणजेच 0 कंडिशन. सेम दॅट हिअर Y1 terminal. Okay, Y means the output, and here connected one LED. LEDs indicate the on and off, that means the one logical 1 and 0 condition. Okay, so by using these small banana pins. Okay, ह्या banana small pin आपण यूज करून ही डिझाईन काय करणार आहोत, ह्याच्यावरती डिझाईन करणार आहोत. ओके, आणि आउटपुट आपण चेक करणार आहोत. सो हिअर सी फर्स्ट डायग्राम इज द 7432 ICs. 1 number is connected A input. Okay, see here connected A input. Okay, this is the A input, and which are connected 7432's 1 terminal. See in this way, then 7432's 2 number. Okay, see here 2 number are connected in a second input, that means the B input. See in this way, then 7432's 3 number which are connected in a 1 number of the 7404 IC. So here connected one another banana pin here C3 is connected to the 1 of the 7432. So this is the 7432's 1. So in this way. Okay, and 2 number of output of the 7404. So here connected one banana pin. Okay, see in this way 7404's 2 number which are connected in a output, that means the pi. In this way connection are done. Okay, and then this power supply is connected. Okay, हे आपण केबल काय करणार आहे, कनेक्ट करणार आहे. याच्यामध्ये पॉवर सप्लाय +5 वोल्ट हा ऑलरेडी डिझाईन केलेला आहे. ओके, सो आपण याची पॉवर ऑन करूया आणि देन कंडिशन आर द 0 0. Okay, first condition are the 0 0. So here table first. Okay, C A B, A is the 0, B is the 0. So in this here notch are 0. खाली म्हणजे काय असणार आहे, 0 असणार आहे, वरती म्हणजे 1. ओके, आपण खाली केला म्हणजे हा काय 0 0. इन दिस फर्स्ट इनपुट 0 0. Okay, C 0 0, 0 plus 0 is the 0, and this